This called A Letter to My Brothers. A letter to my brothers. We all had the same mother, but never had a father, which made moms work harder. I'm the youngest of three. She didn't just work for me. She did it for me, you, and you. She treated us equally. I know it's nice she stayed up late because she couldn't sleep. Probably even cried when she was out of a job. But she never gave up hope because she know life is hard. She just got up and did what she had to do for her to provide. She would even give her last dime if it was for us to survive. I just want y'all to realize that she gave us her all. Now it's time for us to provide. Send her a call or a text just to make her smile. Stop by with a Winnie the Pooh bear. I bet that would make her smile. Just tell her you love her. We fail to do that sometimes. I wonder am I the only one that notices that she smiles the hardest whenever family's around. These are just things I notice when I come home from school and I'm around. We need to go to church on Sundays and pray together. Because a family that prays together stays together. Maybe things will get just a little bit better. It's time for change. Y'all can't keep doing the same routine. Eventually it gets old and no one remains entertained. So while everyone is moving on, you just hoping someone remembers your name, but they don't. They think you just playing games. When they see you, they gonna smile in your face. As soon as you turn your back, they gonna pull out the strap and put 50 in you because don't nobody care for you. They just want to see you in pain or dead and gone like Big Phil from T.I.'s song. I'm saying this because none of us should feel alone. Alcohol and weed doesn't fix anything. It just freezes the pain until it's all gone. Whenever you need to talk, just pick up the phone. And if you need me there, I'll be on the next train ride home. Because I love y'all. Now I drop it all just to catch a fall.